Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Kate. Today we are going to learn a very easy Chinese recipe, 鸡蛋炒饭。鸡蛋炒饭 egg fried rice. 鸡蛋炒饭 egg fried rice is very popular in China. 鸡蛋炒饭在中国很受欢迎。鸡蛋炒饭在中国很受欢迎。鸡蛋炒饭 means egg fried rice. 受欢迎means popular. 中国 means China. So 鸡蛋炒饭在中国很受欢迎。鸡蛋炒饭在中国很受欢迎。And it's very easy to cook. 并且做起来很简单。并且 means and. 简单 means easy. And 做 in here means 做饭 cook. 并且做起来很简单。Alright, now please go to my kitchen with me. Alright, first step, we need to prepare 2 eggs and stir them. 第一步，我们需要准备2个鸡蛋，并且搅拌均匀。鸡蛋 means eggs. 两个 means two eggs. 2个鸡蛋。搅拌均匀 means stir. 准备2个鸡蛋，并且搅拌均匀。And of course, we need to prepare a bowl of rice. 我们需要准备1碗米饭。1碗米饭 means a bowl of rice. 1碗 a bowl of 1碗米饭 means rice. 准备1碗米饭。And you can also prepare some hams. 你也可以准备一些火腿。你也可以准备 你 means you. 也 means also. 准备 means prepare. 火腿 means hams. 你也可以准备一些火腿。Alright, now we need to add some oil and heat the pan. 现在我们需要加入一些油，并且把锅加热。加入 means add. 油 means oil. 我们需要加入一些油。We need to add some oil. 并且 means and. 把锅加热 means heat the pan. 锅 means pan. 加热 means heat. And then add the eggs and stir fry. 然后加入鸡蛋翻炒。鸡蛋 means eggs. 翻炒 means stir fry. Now take out the eggs and stir fry the rice and hams. 现在把鸡蛋拿出来，翻炒米饭和火腿。拿出来 means take out. 把鸡蛋拿出来 take out the eggs. Now it's time to add the fried eggs and stir fry them together. 现在把鸡蛋加进去，一起翻炒。现在把鸡蛋加进去，一起翻炒。一起 means together， 一起 together。一起翻炒 stir fry them together， 一起翻炒 stir fry them together。Alright, last step, add some salt and it's done. 最后一步，加入一些盐就完成了。最后一步，加入一些盐就完成了。盐 means salt. 完成 means it's done. It's finished. 完成。Now I'm going to enjoy my egg fried rice. 现在我要去吃我的鸡蛋炒饭啦！Alright, it's today's Chinese class. I hope you guys like Chinese food. And if you have any other Chinese food you want to learn, please leave a comment to let me know. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye!